What's up everyone? It's me, your Shuli Tree, John Valencia. Welcome back to Chulation Diaries. A mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC. We received another request for the Well Carino reaction. And this is for his rendition of Kahit Maputi Na Ang Buhok Ko. Another serenading moment of our bunso, Ruel Carino, sa isang event. So I'm not sure if this is a birthday party or a wedding or a debut. Let's see who is he serenading for today's video. But before I proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ay, acapella. Ang lambing ng boses ng bunso. Ay, acapella. Oh my God, acapella ang atake ng Ruel for today's video. At nasa isang event, I think this is a debut. Debut ni Mami. Yes. Na isa siguro sa mga ka-RCFC natin. Ang ganda naman ng ng backdrop. And of course, mukhang hindi pa nape-play yung background music. Ay kumanta na ang Ruel. Tignan natin kung magkakaroon ng background music. Ganda ng ang lambing ng boses. Diba? Nakikanta na lang mga ka-RCFC natin. Kahit maputi na ang buhok nyo, siguro yung mga kasama niya kasi mga mga very young ka-RCFC for sure. Kasi debut ito, di ba guys? Natawa din siya sa joke niya. Napaka-goofy talaga ng bunsa. Di ba? Nakisabay na lang ang mga ka-RCFC. Ay, puti na rin. Di ba? Grabe, nag-goosebumps ako kahit na acapella. Grabe, kahit acapella, narinig mo yung vibrato, saka yung hagod. Okay siya, parang hindi ata naririnig talaga yung background. Whoa! The vocal dynamics. Grabe guys, acapella ito. Raw vocal, we can hear the nuances, the vibrato, the dynamics of Ruel's vocal. Really a golden vocal even without background music. Alam niyo yun, napapakanta kayo and you feel the emotion and the genuine vocal. Grabe talaga ang bunso. Hindi ko alam kung recent itong performance na to, guys. You can comment down below and let me know in the comment section. At hindi ko na alam bakit walang background music, but I'm still enjoying listening to it because we can hear the raw vocal of Ruel, which is amazing. Talaga naman nararamdaman natin yung boses niya and his dynamics in terms of vocal range. Napasayaw pa siya. Hindi ko alam kung walang background music or natanggal lang dito sa video na to. I'm not really sure, guys. Again, comment down below. Kasi parang okay naman eh. Parang naririnig niya naman na eh. Pero hindi lang natin narinig. Grabe, pati humming, no? Ganda talaga ng boses. Wow! Wow! Aww. Grabe, wala ngang narinig niya siguro yung background pero hindi natin naririnig guys. I think it's on the video. Sayang! There you have it guys. That is Bunso Ruel Carino singing Kahit Maputi na ang buhok ko, serenading a debutant. A debutant na ka-RCFC natin. Grabe. Hindi ko alam kung anong event ito guys. You can comment down below. And I think may background music yung video pero parang natanggal siya. Maybe it's because of copyright guys. Kasi sa totoo lang, sobrang hirap pong mag-upload or mag-react to a song kasi talagang sobrang maraming copyright o maraming limitation. So, medyo sometimes I know that you will hear na mayroong mga background music na other background music overlay kapag nagre-react tayo sa mga kanta nila Ruel. So, normal lang po yun. But overall, we hear the raw vocal of Ruel. At nakita nyo naman, napaka-professional talaga ng dating ng boses niya, the vibrato, the dynamics. I love it. I enjoyed still watching it. Thank you so much for requesting this video and performance of Ruel. At kung may mga request pa kayo, comment down below nyo lang dyan. I think si Moms Mel Alcantara, oo, Mel Elcante, oo, if I'm not mistaken, you can comment down below. Lagi siya nagko-comment ng mga links. Kaya naman, thank you so much for always supporting our reaction and requesting to Truly Asia Diaries. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction for today, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.